What's up guys, this is Shan Heather and today we got OPPO Reno 2 smartphone with us. We are going to perform a quick unboxing of its retail box. We will have a look on the device, its design, few of the highlighted features, specs, a quick hands-on on the camera as well, and all of the usual unboxing stuff that we usually do. But first of all, if you have not subscribed to this channel so far, then just click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for all of the future uploads. You can also connect with me on Instagram and Twitter by visiting the links given in the description below. And now let's start the unboxing. So first of all, let's have a look on this retail box. As you can see, it's pretty large, very tall retail box. Just like the previous OPPO Reno series smartphones, we got an indication that how the back panel of this device is going to look. So we got the quad camera setup. Here is that Reno branding. At the bottom, we got the information that this is OPPO Reno 2. Once again, OPPO branding. The device we got inside is ocean blue in color. It's 8GB RAM variant with 256GB storage. On the back side, we got two IMEI numbers. That means we got a dual SIM smartphone in this box. Once again, this is ocean blue color variant, 8GB RAM, 256GB storage, and that's all we got. So let's open the box and let's see what we got inside. So here we go. So here is the OPPO Reno 2 branding. Once again, we got some stuff inside. We're gonna have a look on it later. So here is our OPPO Reno 2 smartphone. Here is the 20-watt WOOC flash charger. Here we got a nice smartphone case with OPPO branding, USB Type-C cable, the earphones, and here we got a SIM card tray ejector pin. This OPPO Reno 2 branding is very premium looking. As you can see, it's changing color from rainbow to golden and it looks so premium. Also the whole setup, the whole box, the retail box of OPPO Reno 2 looks quite premium. And here we got some user manuals and quick start guides. So this is the only stuff we got in this envelope here. So these are the stuff we got inside the retail box of OPPO Reno 2. The smartphone case, earphones, USB Type-C cable, 20-watt WOOC flash charger, and some quick start guide. And also we got a SIM card tray ejector pin. So here is our OPPO Reno 2 smartphone. Here you can have a look on few of the highlighted feature and specs of the device. That it comes with 48 megapixel quad camera setup. We got 5x hybrid zoom. There is ultra dark mode provided in the camera. It comes with ultra steady video recording. We got 6.5-inch dynamic AMOLED screen, 4000 mAh battery with WOOC flash 3.0, and this is 8GB RAM plus 256GB storage variant. Few other hardware specs are that the device got an in-display fingerprint sensor. It is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 730G processor, and we got a 16 megapixel shark fin camera on the front side. So here we got OPPO Reno 2 in ocean blue color variant. Let's switch on the device. So now we are starting fresh with our OPPO Reno 2. We are at the initial phase of setting up the device, so I'm just gonna do this quick setting and then we will have a look on our OPPO Reno 2. And here we go. So this is the OPPO Reno 2 smartphone in ocean blue color variant. So first of all, let's talk about the design. OPPO Reno 2 comes with a huge screen with 93.1% screen to body ratio. So whatever we see on the front side is basically just a screen, a very small chin at the bottom, extremely small bezels on the sides, and at the top we got an earpiece along with a very thin narrow bezel. At the top there is front facing camera module. At the bottom we got the speaker grill, USB Type-C port, a 3.5mm audio jack along with a microphone. There is another microphone provided at the top. On the left hand side we got volume rockers. At the right hand side there is SIM card tray slot along with the power key. If we have a look on the back, so here we got the quad camera setup. There is flash provided, Right below the camera module there is a microphone and an elevated circular part to avoid any scratches on the camera module. And then here is the OPPO branding. The whole back panel is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5 and also the camera module. The camera module is totally below the surface of Corning Gorilla Glass 5, so it is protected and it won't get any scratches easily. But since the camera module is below the glass, you will have to make sure each time that glass right above the camera module is clean to take good quality images, otherwise the smudges on the glass will affect the performance of the camera. The back of OPPO Reno 2 is so beautiful that even though the included case is strong, it will cover most of the beauty of the back panel of OPPO Reno 2. So it would be nice if OPPO could provide a transparent smartphone case with the same quality of this case. On the front side we got Corning Gorilla Glass 6, and between these two layers of glasses we got the aluminum metal frame in the middle. So in terms of design, OPPO Reno 2 is a very premium looking smartphone from every angle. The front side is basically just a screen. We got a strong metal frame in the middle. The back is also protected by Corning Gorilla Glass, and we got a 3.5mm audio jack as well. The back of the OPPO Reno 2 is very beautiful, especially of the luminous black color variant. Here we got the ocean blue, and this one is very beautiful as well. You can see that the color is slightly changing on different angle, and if you throw some light on it, then you can see that how nicely it is reflecting the light, and the gradient effect is coming so nicely. So in terms of design, OPPO Reno 2 is a beautiful and gorgeous smartphone from every angle. And now let's talk about the screen. It comes with 6.5-inch screen with 93.1% screen to body ratio along with full HD plus resolution. So the PPI you are going to get is 401, and the screen is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 6. So the screen is still pretty sharp even if I bring it so close to the camera. And the viewing angles are so nice as well. So the screen of OPPO Reno 2 is looking quite good, and since it comes with dynamic AMOLED, you got the feature that the color of the display changes by itself depending on the ambient light. So we will have a look on it in our detailed review. So this is the front side, the home screen of OPPO Reno 2. You can see that it comes with some custom OPPO applications like calendar, clock, weather. We got photos application as well. There is a set of Google application in the Google folder. Then we got tools where you will find some useful applications by OPPO. For example, we got voice recorder, compass, calculator, phone clone, and then we got music, file manager. There is phone manager provided as well. We got game space. Loop is a new video editing software that OPPO has included in the OPPO Reno 2. We will have a look on it as well in our another video where we will see how useful and productive it is. And then we got music party that connects various smartphones together to create a nice party effect by playing same song on all of the devices at the very same time. If you go to the settings, here you will find lots of features and options that we got on OPPO Reno 2 because of the Color OS 6. And if you go to the about phone section, here you will find once again more information that the device is OPPO Reno 2, Android version is 9, Color OS version is 6.1. We got Snapdragon 730G processor in this, 8GB RAM, 256GB storage, out of which 222GB storage is available for user. So nearly 34GB storage is preoccupied. The Android security patch level is of August 5, but hopefully after connecting it to the Wi-Fi and installing a software update, it will be updated to September or October. So talking about the UI and features, OPPO Reno 2 is quite productive. Color OS 6 comes with lots of features. We will have a look on all of them in our another video, but as you can see that it is a really feature-rich smartphone that will help you in productivity as well. In our detailed gaming review of OPPO Reno 2, we will also have a look on the game space feature, that how good it performs and how it improves the gaming experience while playing high-end heavy graphics game on OPPO Reno 2. And now let's talk about the most highlighted feature of OPPO Reno 2, and that's the camera. OPPO Reno 2 comes with quad camera setup, so we got a 48 megapixel primary camera, 13 megapixel telephoto lens with 5x hybrid zoom that you can see it's mentioned here. And then we got an 8 megapixel ultra wide angle camera, and then a 2 megapixel monochrome lens for black and white imaging and also for the portrait photography. On the front side we got a 16 megapixel motorized shark fin camera that is capable of recording 1080p resolution videos. The rear camera of OPPO Reno 2 comes with ultra steady shot, so I will share the demo videos of the front facing camera and also the rear camera very soon with you, and I will also share all of these features, that how good they work or not. So do not forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to know and get the notification when those videos are live. So if you go to the camera application, this is the user interface you will get that we have seen on previous OPPO smartphones as well. So it comes with video, photo, portrait mode. If you tap on these three icons, three lines, here you will get rest of the features that we got: night mode, panorama, expert, that's the pro mode, and then we got time lapse and slow motion. At the top you can see that we got HDR, ultra wide angle or the macro mode, and then we got the dazzle color feature that saturates the color of the image being captured. We got settings with lots of options. We will have a look on all of them in our detailed camera review of OPPO Reno 2. As you can see that it comes with AI scene recognition as well. Slow motion video recording is available at 720p and 1080p. We will check that how much FPS it provides while recording the slow motion videos. And then we got the filter options here as well. If you go to the video mode, here you will find different options and settings. So once again, there is ultra wide angle or the macro mode. We got the bokeh effect. Here you can adjust the bokeh effect of the video being captured. So if you're using this feature, then the subject, the person in the video, will be in the focus and the background will be blurred. And then we got some filters, once again the settings, and here is the ultra steady mode. So if you tap on this, here you can see that the ultra stabilization is turned on. So these are the features we got for the videos. And talking about the front facing camera, if you turn it on by tapping on this icon here, so this is how the shark fin camera module looks. So here is the 16 megapixel front facing camera. Here we got is the earpiece, and if you turn on the LED flash, you can see the position of the LED flash provided. So as I said, I will share a quick demo of the front facing camera capability very soon as well. But now let's take a few pictures of this tiny little toy here, and let's see how good it's going to be in the auto mode on OPPO Reno 2. So in the setting you can see that the AI scene mode is turned on by default. So this is what I'm going to use here, and I'm going to turn off the dazzle color. HDR is on auto mode. So these are the settings that I'm going to use to capture the image of this toy here. Yes, so you can see that the AI scene recognition is working quite well. The macro lens is turned on because I brought the camera close to the object, and the focusing speed is really good. So let's have a look on the images that we have just captured. So here we go. You can see it's capturing good amount of detail here. In this picture the focus was here. I tap on the face on the doll here, so you can see that this part is in focus, this part is a bit blurred, out of focus. So this is showing that the tap focus is working quite good, and also the AI scene recognition, because we have seen that when I brought the camera close to this toy here, then the macro mode was enabled by itself. So this one is particularly quite good. The images are good, but when I'm zooming in, you can see that it's losing a bit of detail here. But we have captured these images in the artificial light inside this room. So in the detailed camera review of OPPO Reno 2, we will see how good it's going to be You can see that this is the maximum zoom I'm doing, and then it's getting a bit blurred. This one is quite good, lots of detail, especially on this one, because this was at the perfect distance, though macro lens was activated for this. So everything is in auto and coming with lots of detail here. So at the first glance, the camera performance is looking quite good, not so great, but still it's good enough. And the AI scene recognition was really nice and quick for sure. Even the focusing speed and image processing was really fast. So these are the good thing about the camera of OPPO Reno 2 at the first glance. Even the details are coming so much in most of the images, but in some of them, after zooming in a lot, it's getting a bit blurred. So we're gonna have a look in our later detailed review of OPPO Reno 2 camera that how good it's going to be in different scenario. We will also have a look on all of these camera features that we have seen just now here at a quick glance. But right now the camera performance of OPPO Reno 2 is looking quite good. The most important feature according to OPPO for OPPO Reno 2 are the ultra steady video recording mode and the ultra night mode. So we're gonna have a look on all of them, including these two, in our detailed camera review to see how good OPPO Reno 2 can fulfill all those promises. So at the first glance, nearly everything about OPPO Reno 2 is nice and impressive from every perspective. It comes with a flagship smartphone design from every way. The build quality is really nice and premium. It comes with Gorilla Glass 6 protection on the front, Gorilla Glass 5 protection on the back, and the aluminum metal frame, making it a very premium smartphone. It comes with 93.1% screen to body ratio. So basically the front side is just a screen. It comes with quad camera setup, and the camera performance at the first glance looks promising. We're gonna have a look in our detailed camera review that how good it's going to be in real life scenario while capturing the images in different conditions. We will also have a look on the detailed gaming performance of the device using the game space feature, and we will do some comparison of OPPO Reno 2 with other smartphones as well. So do not forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get the notification for all of those future video uploads of OPPO Reno 2. If you have any question in your mind, then feel free to share them in the comment section below. And if you liked watching this video, then share it with your friends, press on the like button, and I'll see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.